Welcome to our video on earning money through investing. In this video, we'll go over the basics of investing, the different types of investments available, and some tips for getting started. First, let's define what investing is. Investing is the act of putting money into financial assets with the goal of earning a return. This can take the form of buying stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or other assets, with the expectation that they will increase in value over time. There are many different types of investments to choose from, and the best option for you will depend on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Stocks, also known as equities, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder in that company and are entitled to a portion of its profits. Stocks can be volatile, and the value can fluctuate greatly, but they have the potential for high returns over the long term. Bonds are essentially loans that are made to a company or government. When you buy a bond, you are essentially lending money to the issuer in exchange for regular interest payments and the return of your principal when the bond matures. Bonds tend to be less risky than stocks, but also offer lower potential returns. Mutual funds are a type of investment that pools money from many investors and uses it to buy a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities. This can be a good option for those who don't have a lot of money to invest or who want a more hands-off approach to investing. Real estate is another popular investment option. This can take the form of buying and holding onto rental properties, flipping houses, or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Real estate can be a more stable investment, but it also requires a larger upfront investment and carries the added risk of property value fluctuations. Now that we've covered some of the different types of investments available, let's talk about how to get started. The first step in investing is to determine your financial goals. Do you want to save for retirement, generate income, or build wealth over the long term? Knowing your goals will help you determine the right mix of investments for your portfolio. Next, it's important to assess your risk tolerance. Some investments, like stocks, are riskier but have the potential for higher returns. Others, like bonds, are less risky but offer lower potential returns. It's important to find a balance that you are comfortable with. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial goals and risk tolerance, you can start building your portfolio. This might involve opening a brokerage account and choosing the investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. It's also a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of different asset classes. This can help mitigate the risk of any one investment underperforming. Another important aspect of investing is staying informed about the markets and keeping an eye on your investments. This might involve regularly checking in on your portfolio, reading financial news, and seeking out the advice of a financial professional. Finally, it's important to be patient and stick with your investment plan. Investing is a long-term process, and it's normal for the value of your investments to fluctuate over time. It's important to stay the course and not make impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. In conclusion, investing can be a powerful tool for earning money and achieving your financial goals. By understanding the different types of investments available, determining your financial goals and risk tolerance, and staying informed and patient, you can set yourself up for success in the world of investing. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.